To enable professional mode on Facebook, begin by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile image located to the left of the What's on Your Mind section to access your Facebook profile. Next, select the three horizontal dots next to Edit Profile to open the profile settings. Scroll down until you see the option to turn on professional mode and select it. A screen will appear with information about professional mode. Tap Turn On to proceed. You may encounter additional settings, such as enabling public posts. Follow the prompts by selecting Continue and complete any setup steps provided. Once finished, navigate back to your profile, and you'll see that it now displays Digital Creator, along with a new professional mode dashboard. This process transforms your profile for a more creator-focused experience.